And we'll get back to that. Two-time World Championship 100-meter finalist Oblique Seville has expressed delight with his new personal best over 400 meters. Seville produced a lifetime best of 47.44 seconds to win his heat and finish 5th overall in the event at the Camperdown Classic, which was held on Saturday at the National Stadium. He eclipsed his previous personal best of 47.71 for the event.
I'm very pleased because the last time I ran a 400 meter was in 2022. So coming out here after 2 years and run on the 400 meter, run my personal best, it's a good feeling.
Seville will be looking to make his second Olympic team this year, having been a member of Jamaica's sprint relay team at the Tokyo Games in 2021. The 22-year-old says he will be taking a measured approach to this season.
Well, my aim for the season is just to stay injury-free and to stay healthy. And if that should happen, that's going to happen, but good things are going to come.
In addition to having a new personal best of 47.44 for the 400 meters, Seville also owns a personal best of 9.86 for the 100 meters and a 20.86 for the 200-meter event. And with that, we take a break here on Primetime Sports Sunday. More when we return.